How to set FPS to unlimited in Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can set unlimited FPS in Fortnite. So having an unlimited FPS does not guarantees that you have unlimited FPS, but it simply means that there are no bounds or any limitations on the software or on the game itself that it will restrain your hardware to produce more FPS. So if your hardware is capable of producing up to 600 FPS, it will gonna give you 600 FPS, although the game might not be even playable at a much higher FPS. So let us see how you can enable the unlimited FPS. So to enable this, simply click onto your profile picture at the top right corner. Now, once you do this, you can see the settings gear icon right here onto this menu. So click onto the settings gear icon, and from here you can see within the display option, we have frame rate limit. So currently mine is set to 60 FPS as my display is only a 60 FPS monitor. So it is frame limit set to 60 FPS. But in case you want to push your hardware or your game to achieve the maximum FPS, then you can simply set it to unlimited. And once you're done with this, you can simply click onto this apply button, and now your hardware or the game will give you the unlimited FPS. Also, you can find or check the FPS with a counter here as well. To do that, simply scroll down, and from here you can click onto this on option for the show FPS. Once you will do this, you can apply, and now you can see the FPS that I'm getting, which is around 120 FPS. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.